ऐसा या लक्ष्मी माता इज लाइक उनका अलग दूसरा नाम है चंचला. एनर्जी कैन नॉट स्टे एट वन प्लेस. पैसा अगर कोई कहीं पे सिर्फ एक ही जगह पे है, इट विल नॉट हेल्प. आपका मेडिकल बिल्स आ जाएंगे, एक्सीडेंट होंगे, समथिंग विल हैपन.
Hi Leena, welcome on Road with Sneha. This Diwali, I am ready to shift my money energy. Let's go.
If you see all the religions around the world, they are super rich. Because many a times we think spirituality and prosperity ये दो अलग चीज़ें हैं, but actually it's together.
Like Osho had 100 Rolls Royce. Tirupati Balaji, one of the richest gods. When you look at Lakshmi ji, you feel कितना सारा पैसा है इनके पास.
कि अगर आपका जैसा रिलेशनशिप है मनी के साथ, अकॉर्डिंगली दैट मनी इज गोइंग टू फ्लो टू यू. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू हैव अ फ्रेंड और आप उनको बोलते हो कि आप कितना मुश्किल है आपको इनवाइट करना, बहुत बार आपको बुलाओ तब आप आते हो. मैनी टाइम्स इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू अर्न मनी, मनी रहता नहीं है, झाड़ पे उगता है क्या पैसा.
लक्ष्मी जी का भी कोई स्पेसिफिक चक्रा है अपने बॉडी में.
मनी इज कनेक्टेड विद बेसिक चक्र.
मैं उसको एक्टिवेट करके भी पैसा कमा सकती हूँ.
Those who want lots of money, you have to have a abundance mindset. अगर आपको scarcity mindset है कि हर छोटे छोटे चीजों में पैसे कैलकुलेट करना, but how much time are you spending in doing that? Don't bargain. You're pulling someone down, you will be pulled down. That's the law of karma.
ऐसा कोई रिचुअल है जो लोग कर सकते हैं टू एक्चुअली मेक गॉडेस लक्ष्मी हैप्पी एंड टू इनवाइट हर इन देयर होम्स. Hey you, welcome on Road with Sneha. I am your host Sneha Desai and we are back with one more life transforming episode. Wishing all of you lots of love and prosperity this Diwali. A lot of you have been watching our episodes and haven't yet subscribed to our channel. So it's a humble request to go hit that subscribe button. Being a part of Roar community means you're ready to expand your mind, heal your heart and evolve into your highest self. As this is a Diwali special episode, we are going to be talking to Leena Khanke, who's a pranic healer, and she's going to help us decode the money energy. This episode is absolutely going to shift the way you see money. It's beyond just that paper note. And let me tell you, if you are struggling with finance, with abundance, with money in your life at this moment, by the end of this episode, you will actually be able to shift that. Get ready to become abundant and welcome money in your life. Let's roll. Hi Leena, welcome on Road with Sneha. So it's Diwali. It's already, all the happy vibes have already begun. And I'm so happy to be talking about the money energy. मतलब it's the Diwali festival. It's the festival of prosperity. जहाँ पे हम लक्ष्मी जी को घर पे invite करते हैं हमारे इस टाइम पे. And who else better, like I thought you would be perfect to explain कि मनी को हम स्पिरिचुअली कैसे डिकोड कर सकते हैं कहीं ना कहीं. तो
Yeah, it's a very important topic because many a times we think spirituality and prosperity ये दो अलग चीजें हैं, but actually it's together.
या एग्जैक्टली लाइक हाउ यू सेड दैट इट्स टुगेदर. एक्चुअली मुझे भी ये डाउट है बिकॉज जब हम बात करते हैं स्पिरिचुअलिटी की एंड मनी की, तो ऐसे लगता है कि अगर आपको स्पिरिचुअल पर्सन बनना है तो आपको पैसा छोड़ना है कहीं ना कहीं. तो ठीक है कि सब छोड़ छाड़ के आपको जाना है कहीं, तो आपको तप करना है, मेडिटेशन करना है, एंड देन ओनली और अ स्पिरिचुअल पर्सन समवेयर और द अदर. दे से ऑल्सो द फैक्ट दैट इट्स सो फनी दैट हम लक्ष्मी जी की यहाँ पे पूजा करते हैं एंड शी इज वेयरिंग ऑल ऑर्नामेंट्स, शी हैज सो मेनी गोल्ड
Yeah.
कॉइन्स एंड शी इज लाइक लोडेड. ओके, व्हेन यू लुक एट लक्ष्मी जी यू फील कितना सारा पैसा है इनके पास.
Yeah, so much
So-
prosperity and abundance you can feel. Yeah.
Exactly. So why is it that we are actually, worshipping wealth somewhere or the other on, this Lakshmi Pujan? यहाँ पे हम wealth को क्यों ये कर रहे हैं अगर हमको spiritually grow करना है तो? छोड़ना मतलब देवी जी बता रहे हैं कि पैसा कमाओ, but actually तो छोड़ने की बात हो रही है. तो ये क्या है?
So, see, what is spirituality? Why do we do meditation, all or these practices? Why are we trying to be a better human being? So, ultimately, the goal of spirituality is to be a good instrument of God to help other people. दूसरों को मदद करना है हमें. क्योंकि अकेले जाके meditation करना, I don't think it takes that much, but being in a society and becoming an instrument of God to help other people is more important, what I feel. And if you see all the religions around the world, they are super rich.
Yeah, like if you see, like Osho की मैं बात करूँ तो Rajneesh himself had 100 Rolls Royce. If you talk about Tirupati Balaji, one of the richest gods, and people are ready to go and donate their money, तो मुझे मतलब why is that so? Why are they so, wealthy? and abundant.
See, when we are on spiritual path, automatically हमारे सारे chakras पे हम काम करने वाले हैं.
Okay.
So we have a energy body, we have a chakras, and when we are talking about development, it can't be just spiritual, ना सिर्फ crown chakra का development करके नहीं होगा. As I said, for a guru also to spread his teaching, he needs money.
Okay.
Like आपने रजनीश जी के बारे में कहा, आप अगर great gurus देखेंगे, they were not just sitting at one place and giving just one भाषण. They are moving around and making sure the teachings are given to the normal public.
Yeah.
Now, how it is possible? You need money for that,
Yeah.
right? So, and when you become a happy person, a spiritual person, you develop a good connection with God, money has to come.
So
It's
you
a
mean-
byproduct.
अच्छा.
It's a byproduct of the service you are doing to the world.
अच्छा, तो मतलब अगर मैं स्पिरिचुअली ग्रो कर रही हूँ तो पैसा अपने आप आना चाहिए.
अपने आप नहीं, of course, there are many things also, but it will happen
इट्स अ
eventually.
बाय प्रोडक्ट, मतलब
Yeah.
आएगा ही अगर आपके वो चक्रास एक्टिवेट.
क्योंकि आप सेवा कैसे करोगे otherwise?
ओके.
You need a ashram, for example. You need to give a good facilities.
या
आपको कोई तीर्थ स्थान पे भी जाना है, you need money to go there.
या
So how we can say money and spirituality are two different things? It has to go together
ओके.
because we can't just sit and meditate. We have to use the knowledge to help other people.
To serve others first, you need to get that kind of abundance to actually spread it
Yes.
somewhere or the other.
And God is all abundance. In nature, if you see, everything is in abundance.
Yeah.
So we human beings, especially because we are special beings created by God. So if flowers, trees, everything can be in abundance, why we can't have abundance?
Yeah.
We can have.
Yeah.
But when we get aligned spiritually also, the material growth also happens eventually.
सो कहीं ना कहीं आई डोंट नो व्हाई पैसों को लेके ना एक नेगेटिव सा एक ये रहता है डायलॉग कि पैसा कमाना बहुत बुरी चीज़ है, अगर आप ज़्यादा पैसों के पीछे भागोगे तो आपके साथ ये हो जाएगा. तो आई थिंक कि तब हम अबंडेंसली पैसे को नहीं देख पाते. जैसे आपने बोला नेचर में वी हैव सो मेनी थिंग्स इन अबंडेंस, लाइक द सन इज गिविंग अबंडेंटली लाइफ, देयर आर सो मेनी ट्रीज, देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स इन नेचर दैट इज abundant. Then when it comes to money, we've actually made it about an object and we have associated it with so many wrong things.
Actually, money is a byproduct of the service, the value you add to the people. So हमको अल्टीमेटली पैसों से क्या करोगे आप? सिर्फ पैसों की मदद से आप दूसरों की कैसे सेवा कर सकते हो, मदद कर सकते हो, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग.
Okay.
So those who are adding value, money is going to come automatically.
Okay.
It's all about adding the value
So where you are using your money is also very important somewhere or the other.
and how you earn the money.
How you earn them.
Yes. So how you're earning and how to whom you are sharing, both are important.
Both are important. Okay. Getting to कि जो हम दिवाली चल रहा है अभी, so बहुत सालों से मैंने देखा है कि ये ट्रेडिशन है कि घर साफ होता है, we clean our houses, we declutter the house, मतलब जो नहीं चाहिए वो सामान निकाल देते हैं. तो what is this ritual exactly? On a spiritual level, what are we actually doing?
We are increasing the frequency of our home, of our place. Because just think, कहीं पे बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें cluttered है, ठीक नहीं है. How you feel after looking at that place? We don't get the right vibe.
Yeah.
But if place is systematic, things are kept properly, clean, it helps us to feel better. It increases our vibrations. It gives the clarity of thoughts.
Yeah.
Right? But अगर चीज़ें ऐसी रखिए तो नहीं होगा. And everything carries frequency and energy. So जैसे हमारी energy है, हमारे घर की भी ऊर्जा होती है, हमारे चीज़ों की भी ऊर्जा होती है. So it's a good idea कि दिवाली में just make a round in your home and check कौन सी चीज़ें आपको अच्छा vibrations दे रही है, कौन सी चीज़ें नहीं दे रही है. The things which are not giving you good vibrations, which are not making you feel good, give up.
Yeah, so they're saying like old things निकाल देने चाहिए, जो आपने use नहीं किया है वो actually it's kind of a dead energy somewhere
Yes.
or the other.
So the energy doesn't flow in the home properly.
Oh, okay.
So there is an energy flow. The way it is happening in our body, it is happening in our space.
Okay.
So when you clear it out, the energy can flow. और जहाँ पे energy बहेगी ठीक से, automatically the prosperity energy is going to come. Another nature of money is water.
Okay.
उनको water से भी जाना जाता है. So उसको बहना पसंद है हमेशा. So आप देखोगे दिवाली में हम बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स देते हैं, बोनसेस देते हैं. So this is also one way our ancestors were very smart. So they just told us कि ये रिचुअल आप फॉलो करो. क्योंकि कई बार हम पैसे कमा तो रहे, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल दे आर जस्ट अर्निंग फॉर देमसेल्फ एंड देयर फैमिली, राइट, उनके नीड्स फुलफिल करने के लिए. बट जैसे हमने कहा पैसा या लक्ष्मी माता इज लाइक उनका अलग दूसरा नाम है चंचला. So chanchala, the energy cannot stay at one place.
Okay.
Like water. If it has one place, what will happen?
It will become
It will
stagnant.
get stagnant
हाँ,
and then it will
dead
start
energy.
stinging, dead energies, right? वैसे ही जब पैसा अगर कोई कहीं पे सिर्फ एक ही जगह पे है, it will not help.
Got
Some or other way, it will look for the way to go out.
Okay.
Like टैक्सेस आ जाएंगे अलग से कुछ, या आपका मेडिकल बिल्स आ जाएंगे, एक्सीडेंट होंगे, समथिंग विल हैपन बिकॉज दैट द नेचर ऑफ मनी. सो जब हम दिवाली में बोनसेस दे रहे, गिफ्ट्स दे रहे, सो इट्स लाइक वी आर चैनलाइजिंग द मनी. जब हम देते हैं, गिविंग जब हम करते हैं इन सम वे, इट हेल्प्स अस टू एक्टिवेट आवर हार्ट चक्रा.
Yes.
Okay? So in energy body, we have 11 major chakras.
Okay.
So giving, sharing is connected with heart chakra. It's like Vishnu, loving kindness.
Okay.
लक्ष्मी जी किनके पास रहते हैं? विष्णु जी के पास. So जब तक आप देंगे नहीं, विष्णु की एनर्जी प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे, तब तक लक्ष्मी जी कैसे आएंगे? So giving is very, very important.
Oh, that's beautiful.
So make sure that you give with that love. We all need to activate that heart chakra.
Wow. That's
So-
beautiful.
Then automatically Lakshmi ji will come.
Okay. So यहाँ पे even you said that our chakras के बारे में जब आपने बताया, तो लक्ष्मी जी का भी कोई स्पेसिफिक चक्रा है अपने बॉडी में, जैसे विष्णु जी का है हैप्पीनेस फ्रॉम द हार्ट, द
Yeah.
हैप्पीनेस.
So the loving kindness is heart chakra,
Yeah.
and money is connected with basic chakra.
ओके. सो व्हाट इज द कोरिलेशन, लाइक बेसिक चक्रा? सो एग्जैक्टली मैं उसको एक्टिवेट करके भी पैसा कमा सकती हूँ?
It helps, yes.
इट हेल्प्स. या.
So in pranic healing, we do the healing, prosperity healing.
ओके.
So we remove the blockages, क्योंकि हम लोग जो हमारे जो beliefs होते हैं जो हम carry कर रहे हैं, so there are many beliefs which are not helping us.
यस.
There are some traumas. If somebody has gone through some major financial losses, so that trauma will be there in our system, in our chakras,
एंड इट स्टेज इन आवर बेसिक चक्रा
and other chakras also.
also.
Yeah.
Okay.
So one of the important chakra for finances is basic.
Okay.
But it's also connected with thoughts, with your emotions. So it's connected with upper chakras as well.
Oh, okay. Beautiful, man.
So through healing, we can actually help people to earn better.
To earn
So we do business healings, we do financial healings. So people who were not getting job, with healing, we could help them to get the right job. Businesses which were not doing well, there are so many businessmen, those who are taking healing and getting very amazing results.
It's such a beautiful correlation that somewhere our body, one chakra is actually controlling our prosperity also somewhere or the other.
Yes. So chakras, they have physical functions, they also have psychological functions.
Okay.
So there is a chakra for focus, there is a chakra for planning, implementation. So it's also, money is also connected with clarity, how much you want to earn, how are you budgeting the money, how are you sharing.
Okay.
So it depends on all these factors.
All these
So
factors.
अगर हम देखेंगे तो दिवाली में giving, it's helping your heart chakra.
Yeah.
For giving, you need to calculate and budget. It helps your throat chakra to then when you share, it also, when you activate your heart chakra, it automatically helps your crown chakra to develop.
Oh, okay. Because
And
they are
this-
related somewhere.
Yeah, and this is connected with spirituality. So giving not only is helping you to grow materially, but देने से हम लोग spiritually भी grow हो रहे हैं.
ऐसा कोई टिप है जो आप सजेस्ट कर सकते हो, या रिचुअल है जो लोग कर सकते हैं ड्यूरिंग दिवाली टू एक्चुअली मेक गॉडेस लक्ष्मी हैप्पी एंड टू इनवाइट हर इन देयर होम्स?
Wow, amazing question. So one of the thing, पैसा आपके पास कितना रहेगा, it depends on your relationship with money. आपका relation पैसों के साथ कैसा है.
ओके.
So what you can do is, this Diwali, you just take out some time, sit in a corner and start writing letter to money.
Okay, you write a letter to money.
Yes.
Okay.
So for example, dear money, thank you so much for being there. Thank you for helping me to take care of me and my family. Thank you for helping me to do donation, to give gifts. I would like to invite you in more abundance. So आप जब जैसे आपके फ्रेंड को इनवाइट करते हो, वैसे ही अगर आप सोचिए लक्ष्मी जी को इनवाइट करोगे, जहाँ पे आप एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हो आपका ग्रैटिट्यूड, कि आप कितने ग्रेटफुल हो कि उनकी मदद से आपने कितना अच्छा जीवन जिया है अभी तक. बिकॉज मेनी अ टाइम्स वी आर जस्ट आस्किंग गॉड, हाँ लक्ष्मी जी की पैसा दे दो.
हाँ.
अरे बट हमने ग्रैटिट्यूड भी तो प्रैक्टिस करना, बिकॉज अंटिल अनलेस वी वैल्यू व्हाट वी हैव, हाउ गॉड विल गिव अस मोर.
गॉट इट.
सो राइटिंग अ लेटर टू मनी इज वन ऑफ द फैंटास्टिक आइडिया यू कैन डू दिस दिवाली.
वाओ.
Just invite her with lot of love, gratitude in your heart, and just tell, I'm very grateful for having you and I would like to have you more.
Okay. That's a beautiful tip, and I think I'm going to try doing it for sure. And yeah, as you said, you know कि as a friend आपको वो relationship develop करना है. बहुत बार हम thank you नहीं बोलते हैं to Goddess Lakshmi because she has supported us all this while with so many things, and we are always in the asking mode rather than the thanking and gratitude mode somewhere or the other. So definitely an amazing tip. One thing that I observed that you keep saying is that कि मनी के साथ एक तो आपने बोला रिलेशनशिप अच्छा डेवलप करो, ठीक है. आपने ये बोला बहुत सारे इमोशंस आपको मतलब योर मनी इक्वेशन इज रिलेटेड टू योर इमोशंस, लाइक यू सेड हैप्पीनेस, यू सेड ग्रैटिट्यूड, यू सेड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. अभी तक हमको लगता था कि पैसे कमाने के लिए यू नीड टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ मेहनत, मतलब बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ रहा है तो ही आप पैसे कमा सकते हो. सो आर दीज लाइक चीट कोड्स टू अर्न मनी in the smarter way somewhere or the other?
Yeah, it's developing a good relationship because आप देखिए अगर आपका जैसा relationship है मनी के साथ, accordingly that money is going to flow to you. So for example, you have a friend और आप उनको बोलते हो कि आप कितना मुश्किल है आपको invite करना, बहुत बार आपको बुलाओ तब आप आते हो, बहुत difficult है आपको रखना. It's like money, it happens ना many times it's difficult to earn money. Money रहता नहीं है, झाड़ पे उगता है क्या पैसा.
हाँ मतलब
All of us have heard that.
कि जितनी चादर है उतनी पैर फैलानी चाहिए. Yes.
So now because of that, many a times our beliefs are not right, which is in our subconscious mind.
ठीक है.
And whatever energy is there in your aura, that's what you are going to attract.
Oh, okay.
So the example, if you are in love with someone, you express your love, what will happen eventually? Even if that person is saying no, 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 what happens eventually?
They will come to you. Yeah.
Because you are giving that energy. Like that money, we need to develop that good relationship.
Okay. Wow. So what have like, is there a personal experience that you would like to share about money that you have gone through somewhere or the other?
So I have been into spiritual practices almost from my childhood. So रोज मेडिटेशन करना ये घर का रेगुलर रिचुअल था. तो मुझे कहीं तो बिलीव था, जैसे हमने कहा स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी इज टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स.
Yes.
वी शुड नॉट चेज मनी.
Yeah.
पैसे के बारे में सोचना, क्योंकि अल्टीमेट तो भगवान के ही जाना है, भगवान के पास जाना है, तो क्यों हम लोग ये सांसारिक इसमें फंस जाए. सो एक्चुअली आई वॉज वर्किंग विथ आश्रम. So even I have done my post-graduation in computer management and in mass communication, but I was always inclined for spiritual growth and all these things.
Yeah.
So money, I didn't work towards money. But what I found when I was becoming an instrument to help other people, automatically started coming in.
Okay.
So जो मेरा thought था पहले कि spirituality and prosperity is different, eventually I understood that money is important because otherwise we can't serve, we can't give. And this is what I'm experiencing now. Money is just easily flowing. So it's not like me chasing money, but money is getting attracted.
Okay.
So I never thought what I earn now in my wildlife that I will be earning this much actually.
Wow. Wow.
But it just happens. As I said, spirituality and prosperity are together.
Together.
Yes.
Okay. So ये जो blockages है, like I'm sure, so how does one actually start recognizing them on a minute level? So do you have any tips कि in our daily lives, how can we start recognizing कि हम कहाँ पे हमारे blockages create कर रहे हैं towards money?
Very good question again. Just I will ask you to close your eyes for a minute and just reflect on your childhood. How was relationship of your mom and dad with money?
Oh.
आपने as a kid अपने पेरेंट्स को कैसे देखा है मनी के साथ डील करते हुए? बिकॉज फर्स्ट 7 years ऑफ आवर लाइफ उस टाइम पे हमारा बिलीफ सिस्टम बनता है. सो अगर हमने उन्हें देखा है पैसों को बहुत मुश्किल से कमाते हुए या उसके वजह से स्ट्रगल करते हुए, दैट विल गो इन योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड.
Okay.
So first reflect how was their relationship, and then you can just reflect what are the good beliefs you have you want to carry from your mom's side, from your dad's side, and what are the negative beliefs towards money which you don't want to carry with you. So just even recognizing that it's not your energy, but it's a borrowed energy from your parents, because they have the major impact on our life.
Yeah, actually, because हमने उनके ही narratives को आगे लिया है कहीं ना कहीं. तो we have seen them talking about money in a specific way. And I think you're very right. If I go to think about it, a lot of my money mindset comes from them somewhere or the other.
So this reflection is very important. So this Diwali, take out some time and just reflect.
Okay.
So what are the good beliefs you have carried, negative beliefs you would like to? So you can just write it down and you can burn it or throw that paper in garbage. That's fine. But eventually will understand, because without awareness, how you will improve? So this awareness will help you. Then how you started, like simple things. For example, दिवाली के वक्त बचपन में अगर हमारे यहाँ गेस्ट आ रहे, they are giving us gift और पैसा, है ना. Generally in India we have this ritual that elders give money to
Yeah.
kids. कई बार आपने देखा है पेरेंट्स बोलते मत लीजिए पैसे,
Yes.
डोंट टेक. क्यों लेना है, बस पैर पड़ो बस.
हाँ,
उनका
नहीं
आशीर्वाद
चाहिए.
नहीं चाहिए.
हाँ.
Now that's the belief we are carrying. Don't receive. Now here on one hand we are asking, but our receiving portal is shut.
Okay.
Because as a child we were taught not to receive.
Got it. Okay.
So many of us, and especially those who are on spiritual path, we are good in giving. When it comes to giving, we are कि हाँ हाँ ले लो, जितना चाहिए ले लो. But when it comes to receiving, we have blockages.
Yes.
So just check in your day-to-day life, do you have that?
Okay.
So for example, I'm appreciating, for example, Sneha, you are looking fabulous. You are looking so gorgeous. So how, do you take it properly? Or you said, nahi, nahi, nahi. So there is a problem in receiving then. Or when people are giving gift, do you take it gracefully?
Yeah.
So I was having that problem. I didn't use to. Abhi koi gift deta hai, okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So we have to be, if you have that issue of receiving, just say, I'm a sacred receiver. You can just open your hands and just look up and say, I'm a sacred receiver.
I'm a sacred receiver. Okay.
And I'm a grateful giver.
And I'm a grateful giver. Oh.
So you can just do like this. I'm a sacred receiver and I'm a grateful giver.
Okay. That's also how Goddess Lakshmi is. Actually, she receives and then...
And then give.
Okay.
So we have to balance this receiving and giving both. Now some of us might be just receiving, not giving. And some are busy in giving, not receiving. So this both needs to be balanced. आपका घड़ा तो कभी ना कभी खत्म हो ही जाएगा ना. तो आप कितना दोगे, कब तक दोगे, आपको लेना भी बहुत जरूरी है. Now one of the thing happens with spiritual people is they go to temple, they pray, like नमस्कार करेंगे, but they don't ask. I was having this issue. कि भगवान से
ask क्यों मांगना है?
Yes. So even I was having that belief.
हाँ.
Why we should ask? God should know what I want.
And what is meant for me will come my way somewhere or the other. That's what I feel like. Do you really need to ask?
Yes, at least you should ask, He bless me with whatever is best for me.
Okay.
But that asking is important because that shows your humbleness.
Okay.
Because God, जब हम जन्मे हैं, भगवान ने हमें फ्री विल दिया है कि आपको जैसा लाइफ जीना है जियो. हम एक प्लान लेके आए, उसको फॉलो करना है, अपग्रेड करना है, डिग्रेड करना है, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन अस.
अच्छा.
So asking is very important. So when you go to temple, just ask, thank you for blessing me. That is also enough.
So this is for a temple. ठीक है. अभी in routine life also, a lot of people say कि मैं क्यों कोई goal रखूं पैसों का. Like I shouldn't be, like should I be asking money in my regular routine also, like should I have a specific goal of how much money I want to make? Will that actually help me?
Yes.
Okay.
So it's very important because we all have a thermostat. Like there is a amount of money which will make us comfortable.
Okay.
So if it's that much money is in your saving account, आप comfortable feel करते हो.
बराबर है.
और जब पैसे आप देखिए ऊपर नीचे हो जाए, what happens? We become irritated and angry. Anxious हो जाते हैं.
Yeah.
आप मेडिटेशन के लिए भी कैसे बैठोगे, या आप जहाँ पे काम करते हो वो काम भी कैसे ठीक से करोगे. जब पैसा होता है, इट गिव्स अस कंफर्ट वेदर वी बिलीव और नॉट. इट्स ऑलवेज इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट यू शुड हैव अ टारगेट.
Okay. So it's very important.
Like your recent goal, how much you want to have now, how much you want to have after 5 years or 10 years, some amount has to be there.
Okay.
See, if you don't have a goal, how you will reach there? Now just understand, if you want to go somewhere, you have a destination. If you don't have a destination, what will happen?
You'll feel lost.
You'll feel lost.
Yeah.
So we need to have the destination. To reach that destination, we need a vehicle to go there,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
And for vehicle to run, what it needs?
Fuel.
Fuel. So money is like a fuel. Money is not a destination.
Okay.
Money is not a destination, but आपको life कैसा चाहिए? What are your desires? Now, many a times what happens, we think desires are not good,
हाँ.
but desires are very important.
Okay. हाँ, because हमको यही सिखाया जाता है that like in the spiritual world especially, they say that you shouldn't have so many desires, like have limited, मतलब छोड़ दो, जो भी है उसमें खुश रहो, all that.
Why? We are God's child. We are in His kingdom.
Okay.
In a way, if you understand why we should not live our life to the fullest, why we should not have desire. It's not just the desire, but who you become to achieve that is more important.
Okay.
Because आप एक simple life जी रहे हो, आप उठ रहे हो, सो रहे हो, कुछ नहीं. आप सोचिए, do you think there will be a lot of improvement in ourselves? No, but if your target that I want to achieve, for example, there should be 100 CR by this year in my account. I will work hard towards it.
Yes.
Now, for working hard towards it, I need to plan, I need to think, I need to budget, I need to implement, I need to work at so many levels. So, जब मैं सब पे काम करूँगी, will I become a beautiful person?
Yes.
High possibility.
Okay.
But of course, you need to check that there is no greed.
Yeah.
So that greed has to should not be there. Desires होने चाहिए आपको कि आपको क्या achieve करना, who you want to be, what all you want to have, what all you want to experience on Mother Earth. Because जब हम शरीर छोड़ेंगे, so we should feel good about our life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True.
We should feel, oh wow, I've lived a good life.
Yeah.
What's the meaning कि सुबह उठ रहे सुबह शाम हो रही है and there is no way. So we should all have desires and money is helping us to fulfill that.
Yeah.
So money is important.
Got it. Okay.
But along with money, have the target who you would like to be, what all you would like to have, how you would like to contribute.
So you said a very beautiful thing कि जब आप पैसा कमा रहे हो तो you don't have to be greedy. Like आप keep desires but don't be greedy somewhere or the other. So what kind of emotion should you actually have when you're earning money? And how will it help me increase my flow somewhere or the other?
So first, be content what you have received till now. We should be very grateful for simple things in our life.
Okay.
Like for our education, for our home, for our food, everything. So you're content and then you have a ambition and desire that how you would like to have your life to be, right?
Okay.
And then just make sure that you're earning properly.
Okay.
ग्रीड मतलब क्या होता है?
Properly.
यस, सो ग्रीड मतलब क्या होता है? जहाँ पे वी वांट टू विन ऑन द बेसिस दैट समवन लूजेस.
मतलब
That should-
इसका कुछ ले लूं. हाँ.
या मैं आगे बढ़ूंगा, इसको नीचे खींचो तो मैं आगे बढ़ूंगा.
Okay. Competitive कहीं
Yes.
कहीं तो. Okay.
So that should not be there. The attitude should be win-win. So if you are working for someone, make sure that your company is winning.
Oh.
Give your best. If you are a business person, make sure your employees are winning. Your clients are winning.
Okay.
It's like Shubh Labh.
Okay. What is the concept of Shubh Labh?
So earn money with good intent where the money is getting used properly.
Okay.
And there is a win-win. So wherever there is a transaction, जिससे आप पैसा कमा रहे हो और जिनको दे रहे हो, it both should be winning.
अच्छा. Okay.
And having the right relationship with your earning source. So if you're a housemaker, if your husband is earning, make sure that he's winning. Like make sure that he's a happy person. Like you take care of your home properly. If you are a businessman, as I said, make sure that your employees are happy.
Okay.
Your vendors are happy. If you're working for someone, make sure that you are doing well for them. So बहुत बार क्या होता है ना, जैसे आप काम पे जाते हैं, कई सारे लोग वो गॉसिपिंग में लग जाते हैं कि बॉस ने ये नहीं किया, मैनेजर ने ये नहीं किया, और मे बी फॉर कलीग्स ऑल्सो लॉट ऑफ गॉसिपिंग हैपन्स. You might have heard about that.
Yeah.
Or for business person also, they are not happy with their employees. So either help them to do better or you can just say them bye.
Yeah.
But just talking about people who are helping you to earn money is not a good idea.
Okay. तो
Because
जिसके
शुभ
साथ
लाभ, so it has to be the लाभ कब आएगा आपके पास? जब आपका थॉट अच्छा है,
Oh.
जब आपके इमोशंस अच्छे जा रहे हैं.
Okay.
So when you go to your workplace before, be grateful, express your gratitude, and then you start your work.
Okay.
When that payment comes, your income comes, be grateful for receiving it.
So I think every time you actually receive your salary, you should actually be so thankful for it in a
Yes.
lot of ways. And as you said कि आप जहाँ पे काम पे भी जा रहे हो, have respect for that job, for that organization, for that boss in
Yes.
so many ways.
And if you don't like, look for other job. But till the time you are there, or after also, even if you have left that job, that company has helped you to earn money, to run your family, right? So we have to express that gratitude. So make sure that you are sending the right energy to the sources from where you are receiving the money.
Okay. And बहुत बार ऐसा भी होता है, मैंने देखा है कि लोग बहुत पैसा कमा भी लेते हैं फॉर दैट मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट, बट बहुत छोटे छोटे पेमेंट्स करते वक्त दे फील लाइक एक झिझक सा होता है, एंड दे आर लाइक कि नहीं, छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में दे ट्राई टू सेव मनी समवेयर और द अदर, एंड इवन व्हेन दे मेक द पेमेंट दे आर नॉट हैप्पी अबाउट इट.
Yeah.
सो व्हाट वुड यू से अबाउट दैट?
So those who want lots of money, you have to have an abundance mindset.
ओके.
So make sure that अगर आपको scarcity mindset है, it means the thing you told कि हर छोटे छोटे चीज़ों में पैसे कैलकुलेट करना. 10 रुपया बचा लिए या 50 रुपये बचा लिए, 500 रुपये बचा लिए, but how much time are you spending in doing that? So make sure that you value money. सो कई बार जैसे आपने कहा छोटे छोटे चीज़ों में अगर हम पैसे निकल नहीं रहे हमारे हाथ से, इट्स शोइंग दैट देर इज अ स्कैरसिटी माइंडसेट, एंड इफ यू वांट टू अर्न लॉट्स ऑफ मनी वी हैव टू कम आउट ऑफ द स्कैरसिटी माइंडसेट एंड वी हैव टू डेवलप अबंडेंस माइंडसेट.
Okay.
Means what? You have to give. Don't bargain. Bargaining, if you're pulling someone down, you will be pulled down. That's the law of karma.
So bargaining is actually not good for your money.
No.
Energy.
Yes. So if you feel that you are overcharged, you can tell कि okay, this इतने में मुझे चाहिए. अगर वो दे रहे तो ले लो. But don't waste that 15, 20, half an hour of yours in bargaining. It's not a good idea.
Okay.
So negotiation, it's okay, but bargaining is not okay at all. What is the difference?
Got it. Because bargaining is like actually you're trying to cut down prices a lot. And negotiating is where I fix like an amount कि यहाँ तक ठीक है, वहाँ तक हो रहा है तो
तो
ठीक.
दे दो, otherwise दे दो. And if you see the people who have rich mindset, abundance mindset, they save their time.
Okay.
So people, instead of having 2 maids, they will have 4 maids. Why? To save the time.
Okay.
And here in scarcity mindset, you are wasting the time in saving that 10, 15 rupees extra.
Got it. So valuing time is actually valuing your money.
Yes.
Instead. Wow. Beautiful.
That's why rich people, they have jets. They can go in aeroplane, but they prefer jets. Why?
Yeah, because they'll save on time somewhere or the other. Okay.
So why to invest our energy frequency on the small things? Ultimately, our energy frequency has to be good.
What do you have to say about budgeting? So if I'm creating a budget somewhere or the other, is it helping me earn more money?
Yes, it's like valuing the money again. So budgeting is equals to valuing money.
Okay.
So you should know how much is coming, how much is going, how much you are saving. So it's not only about earning.
Okay.
Because sometimes you might have seen कि पैसा आ तो रहा है, but कहाँ जा रहा है समझ नहीं आ रहा है.
हाँ.
So budgeting is very, very important.
Yeah, because I've seen this with a lot of like, I think my dad himself, being a businessman, I remember like he doesn't stop me from spending money, but he will tell me that even if you spend 5 rupees, you should have an accountability for it. कि वो 5 रुपए भी कहाँ गए? And I remember having this fight with my dad always कि यार, why do you keep nagging me for 5 rupees, like, you know? But he says no, it's very important, and it's been like a ritual for him. Like he will make sure at the end of the day he will note down his expenses. So what do you think is the right way to budget your money?
So for budgeting, at least 30% should go into savings and investment.
Okay.
10% should go in donation, but you can start from small amount, whatever is possible. And then some amount of it should go for your growth, Saraswati, which we were talking. How you're using your money to upgrade your knowledge. And then rest should be used for expenses.
Okay. Wow. So you keep learning. मतलब वो
Yes.
पैसा वहाँ पे भी डालना है कहीं ना कहीं.
So जब farmers बीज बोता है, जब फल आते हैं, he makes sure after selling, he also keeps something back
Yes.
to plant it next season. So like that, you need to make sure that you are saving investment, because compounding, they say na, it's the 8th miracle of the world.
Yeah.
So make sure that every month you are using your money for all these things. How much is going into your expenses? How much are you saving? Investment ho raha hai, and donations. All these things are important.
So how is donation actually increasing my frequency?
So it's like what you sow, so shall you reap.
Okay.
So if you want money, you have to sow money. That's the law of karma.
Acha. Okay.
So when we give money, lot of money will come back to us. Because whatever we give, it's surely going to multiply. When you sow one seed, do you get one fruit?
No, you get multiple.
So donation at right place is important, and donation is important.
What
Now,
do you mean by donating at the right place?
make sure that the money is getting used wisely there.
अच्छा ठीक है.
That is also your responsibility.
अच्छा तो आप पैसा दे रहे हो तो आपको ये भी देखना है कि सही जगह पे यूज हो रहा है.
They are using it wisely.
Okay.
बट जब तक आप दोगे नहीं तब तक आएगा नहीं. तो आप सिर्फ मांग नहीं सकते हो, पहले आपको देना पड़ेगा. जो हमने सीखा था, मनी एनर्जी, इट नीड्स टू फ्लो. सो डोनेशन इज वन थिंग विच आई विल एडवाइज टू डू एवरी मंथ, नॉट वंस इन अ वाइल. कि आप वंस इन अ वाइल तिरुपति बालाजी गए और वहाँ पे हमने डोनेशन किया. नो, एवरी मंथ इट हैज़ टू बी डन सिस्टमैटिकली. If you want the money to come systematically, you have to give money systematically.
Okay. And how much do you recommend donating in general?
So in different cultures, it's different. 10% is ideal.
10% of
your net income.
net income.
Yeah, after your taxes, 10% should be shared.
So अगर मंथली मैं एक्स अमाउंट कर रही हूँ तो उसका 10% मुझे डोनेट करना है मंथली, इज व्हाट यू वुड रेकमेंड.
Yes. So there are two things: karmic responsibility and non-karmic responsibility.
Okay.
So in karmic responsibility, so your parents, your family, people who are working for you, from where you are receiving something. So your temples, your spiritual school, from where you're receiving the energy, some amount of this 10% has to go there.
Okay.
And then some can be non-karmic obligation, like certain causes you feel like helping for. There you can donate.
ओके तो उसका एक थोड़ा सा अमाउंट पहले पेरेंट्स को जिसके साथ तुम्हारा कार्मिक रिलेशनशिप
Yes.
है, लाइक मे बी इट कुड गो टू योर मेड्स, इट कुड गो टू
Yes.
पीपल हु आर वर्किंग विद
Yeah.
यू, तो उनको देना है
Yes.
एंड
And-
बाकी का बाहर देना है.
Correct. And not necessary. Even if your parents are rich, still we have to give them something. You can give in a form of gifts, because it's like showing the gratitude.
ओह वाओ.
Because of them, we are there. And see, to earn money, we have to do so many things, right? We sacrifice at so many levels.
Yeah.
Like for education, we learn for so many years, like 15, 20 years, we learn. Then we have to do a lot of emotional and mental sacrifices at our workplace,
Yes.
right? There is something happening at family, but you still go to work.
Yeah.
Why? To earn that money.
Yeah.
So when you give food, food will come to you. When you give blankets, blanket will come to you. But when you give money, because it's a concretized form of energy, it can come back to you in any form.
तो पैसा ही देना है,
नहीं, so आप पैसे दोगे तो कोई भी रूप में आपके पास वापस आ
वापस आ सकता है. अच्छा ठीक
तो
है.
अगर आप खाना दोगे तो खाना आएगा. लाइक इट विल मेक श्योर कि आप कभी भूखे नहीं रहोगे.
Got it.
बट आप पैसे दोगे तो आप कोई भी रूप में उसको मांग सकते हो. क्यों? क्योंकि पैसा कमाने के लिए आपको हर लेवल पे सैक्रिफाइस करना होता है. एंड दूसरी चीज, आगे वाले को फ्रीडम मिलता है हाउ टू यूज दैट मनी. तो डोनेशन यू शुड डू एवरी मंथ. फिक्स अ डेट 1 or 15th of every month.
ठीक है.
Put an alarm and just do it.
Okay.
And see the magic. Now, those who are going through financial crutch, you need to donate more.
अच्छा, तो जिनके पास कुछ लॉसेस या दे आर गोइंग थ्रू सम इश्यूज, दे शुड एक्चुअली डोनेट मोर.
Yeah. Why? Because you need to generate prosperity karma.
ओके.
How will you generate prosperity karma? By giving. Now, how much you decide? Like we said, 10%. You can start with 1%, 2%, and eventually make sure that it goes till 10.
गॉट इट.
So you can take out 10 rupees every day also.
अच्छा, तो उससे भी फर्क करेगा.
Why? Because when we give, it activates our heart chakra.
ओके, अगेन
Vishnu.
विष्णु जी. ओके.
And when your heart chakra activates, it activates your crown chakra also. Now, when your crown chakra activates, it helps you to connect with the divinity.
गॉट इट.
So you'll be blessed with intuition.
ओह वाओ.
And this intuition will help you to take right decisions in your life.
Oh wow. So many things can happen if you
Yeah.
actually donate
Yes.
money.
And when heart is activated, basic chakra will get activated. So Vishnu ji and Lakshmi ji aayenge.
आएंगे.
So donation is one advice I would like to give everyone. Please donate if you have not already started.
If you see like wealthy people also, like Mukesh Ambani, you see all of them, they believe so much in donation and they keep doing it continuously. मतलब जितना वो पैसा कमा रहे, but donations भी उतने ही साइड में चल ही रहे उनके.
That's the reason now why few people are born in rich family and why few people are not born in rich family.
Oh.
Because they have financial good karma.
Oh.
So you might have heard many financially rich people, they just tell you in their will, when I will leave the body, this much percentage of my income should be, wealth should be shared for this cause.
Yeah,
Now,
like they donate that money. हाँ.
so this good karma they are taking with them. And
so
this will help them in their next incarnation.
Oh wow. Okay. So when you actually die and the kind of money you leave behind, like अगर आपने वो भी पैसा कहीं ना कहीं एक X amount donate किया, that is generating financial prosperity karma for me.
Yes.
Oh wow. Okay. Beautiful.
So if you are smart, then start donation.
Start donation. I think
That's the secret of prosperity.
okay.
It's an open secret, but somehow many people are not using it.
Yeah. Have you seen in your personal life like ऐसा कोई incidents है जहाँ पे कोई आपके student है या कोई आपका कोई story है कि जहाँ पे donation start किया and उनका financial situation change हो गया?
There are thousands of people who we have seen their life is transformed by practicing donation.
Donation?
Yes.
Wow.
So people who were struggling financially before, they started doing more, frequently giving donation. And the opportunity just started coming
in.
Yeah.
तो इसमें जब मैं डोनेट कर रही हूँ, इंटेंशन क्या होना चाहिए, जस्ट टू गेट मोर क्लैरिटी कि अगर व्यूअर्स ने स्टार्ट कर दिया डोनेशन, तो एक तो आपको सही जगह पे करना है कि वो पैसा सही जगह पे यूज़ हो रहा है कि नहीं. सेकंड, इमोशनली इंटेंशन कि जब मैं दे रही हूँ तो व्हाट शुड माई इंटेंशन बी, कि अभी आपने बताया इसलिए मैं डोनेट कर रही हूँ. बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे भी हैं कि जस्ट बिकॉज मुझे पैसा चाहिए इसलिए मैं डोनेट कर रही हूँ.
हाँ, सो दैट इज वन लेवल ऑफ ट्रूथ. बट हायर लेवल ऑफ ट्रूथ अगर हम देखेंगे, डोनेशन करना है क्योंकि इनके लोगों से, इनके वजह से हमारा लाइफ कंफर्टेबल है. सी, आप और मैं यहाँ पे आराम से क्यों बैठे हैं? बिकॉज समवन इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, ऑफ आवर protection of our country at so many levels.
Yeah.
Our parents have taken care of us.
Yeah.
So it's our responsibility to give back to the society.
Got it.
That's why we should give. Because for us to earn money, सिर्फ हमारी मेहनत नहीं है. ये कई सारे लोगों की मेहनत है जिस वजह से हम कमा पा रहे हैं. From our teachers to our mentors, there are so many people.
Yeah.
So it's we have to give, and when you give, you feel joyful.
Yes. So feel happy.
That's the main emotion of Lakshmi. So if you have that joy, automatically money will come and it will stay with you. वो बोलते हैं ना, जिस घर में क्लेश है, जहाँ झगड़े होते हैं, पैसा नहीं टिकता है.
अच्छा.
पैसा टिक ही नहीं सकता है because the vibration is not matching. So if you want to earn lots of money, one of the thing you need to do is be joyful.
Okay.
And make sure कि आप दूसरों को help कर रहे हो, that they are living their life joyfully.
Joyfully.
Yes.
Wow. That's a beautiful thing. I mean, such a simple thing also to actually be happy. But बहुत बार पैसा ये शब्द सुनने से ही काफ़ी लोगों की एनर्जीज काफ़ी तरीके से चेंज हो जाती है. I wanted to ask कि जब हम लोन लेते हैं कोई भी तरीके का, like you're taking loan, you're actually किसी का पैसा आपने रखा है, ये सब चीज़ें भी आपको एनर्जेटिकली ब्लॉक करता है मनी को लेके?
So about loans, if you are taking it from bank, you are paying proper interest, there is no issue.
Okay.
But of course, you should make sure that there are not lots of loans. Because it's not a good idea. You should be debt free as much as possible. And for your friends, for example, you are borrowing some money, make sure you are giving back. Because जब तक हम देंगे नहीं, तब तक वो कहीं ना कहीं आपका कर्मा रहेगा, and that will not allow the abundance to come in your life.
Okay.
There is nothing called as free in this world. We have to pay back now or later. So it's better that we give.
Yeah. No, and as you also said कि किसी का पैसा, ये तो हमने भी सुना है कि तुरंत दे दो, जितना फास्ट आप दे सकते हो वो दे दो. बट एक चीज़ है कि अभी लोगों को ये बहुत आदत लग गया है कि EMI पे चीज़ें लेना, छोटे छोटे लाइक चीज़ों, लाइक इफ दिल बाय समथिंग. बट डज दैट एक्चुअली ऑल्सो अफेक्ट your mindset also somewhere or the other when it comes to money?
So you need to check what is the difference between need and want. Now, few things you need. For EMI, it's fine. If you're paying interest, that's okay. But just make sure that you're valuing money. Now, many a times we are just swiping the credit cards, right? We are not aware how much money is there, and saving nahi ho raha, investment nahi ho raha, and we are just using our money to do expense.
Yeah.
Now, it's simple thing. If you have 2 kids, आप दोनों को कोई gift देते हो, right? One kid, he values that gift properly, उसको ठीक से रखता है, अच्छी से रखता है, और दूसरा बच्चा उसको देखता भी नहीं है ठीक से, and he just throws that here and there. What you will do next time if you want to give a gift?
I'll give it to the other kid. Yeah,
Other
जिसने
kid,
value
जिसने
किया.
value किया. Same thing. God has given us the power of money. Money is a power actually in a way, you see. So if you're using that power properly to make your life better, to make others' life better, your family's life better, it will come to you. But if you're not valuing, then it will not come.
Yeah.
So अगर आप EMI पे EMI लेते जा रहे हो, it's like you're not valuing money.
Yeah. या मतलब आपने कोई बजटिंग नहीं किया है, आपने कुछ सोचा नहीं है, एंड यू आर जस्ट गोइंग विद द फ्लो कहीं ना कहीं. तो इसमें कितना ब्यूटीफुल है, लाइक यू कीप सेइंग दैट एक स्टार्ट सीइंग योर मनी लाइक अ रिलेशनशिप. आप जितना उसको क्लोजली देखोगे, बिकॉज वी सी इट ओनली एज अ पेपर, लाइक यू आर टेकिंग इट एज अ पेपर एंड लाइक अ ट्रांजैक्शन जो आप डेली लाइफ में चल रहा है. बट आई थिंक देयर इज सो मच मोर टू मनी, एंड आई थिंक इफ यू नो द राइट वे, you can actually crack the code and you can become so much more abundant in life somewhere or the other.
It's a spiritual energy. Money is a spiritual energy. So if you have lots of money, God can work through you to spread the goodness. And it's our responsibility.
Wow.
It's our responsibility to earn so that we can do good work.
Got it.
Now, if good people says कि क्या रखा है पैसे में, पैसे क्यों कमाने हैं, so अच्छाई कौन फैलाएगा दुनिया में? Why we are seeing so many wars happening?
Yeah.
Why people are still hungry and we are not using that money to feed them.
Yeah.
We are using the money to destroy things.
Yeah.
It means the money is not getting used wisely. So it's a power. So जिसके हाथ में रहेगा पैसा, उसकी वो एनर्जी बन जाएगी. It actually, money magnifies your qualities. So if you are a good person, it will magnify that, like you will be able to help more people. और अगर आप में negative qualities है तो वो उसको magnify करेगा.
बहुत बार ये भी देखा है कि नेगेटिव लोगों के पास भी बहुत सारा पैसा होता है. लाइक दे डोंट थिंक, लाइक दे आर नॉट वेरी पॉजिटिव, बट दे स्टिल लोडेड, और दे आर यूजिंग देयर मनी इन द रॉन्ग वे एंड स्टिल दे हैव सो मच मनी. तो ये क्यों हो रहा है?
Okay, tell me, whenever we sow a seed, do we get a plant immediately, a fruit immediately? उसको वक्त लगता है ना,
यस.
राइट? वैसे ही जब हम अच्छे कर्म करते हैं उसको भी वक्त लगने वाला है, बुरे कर्म को भी आने में वक्त लगने वाला है.
ओके.
सो अगर आप देख रहे हो कि इनके साथ क्यों अच्छा हो रहा है जबकि ये बुरा कर रहे हैं, सो जो भी अच्छे कर्म पहले किए होंगे उसका फल वो अभी खा रहे हैं. नाउ व्हाट दे आर डूइंग नेगेटिव, दैट्स गोइंग टू कम बैक टू देम.
So जो पहले किया था इसलिए उनके पास अभी वो लक्ष्मी जी है कहीं ना कहीं.
Yes,
तो
and somewhere they have this abundance mindset. There is no scarcity mindset.
ओके. सो द माइंडसेट शिफ्ट
Is very important, yeah. So you should know from where it came, it will come more. So you don't need to think so much. Enjoy your life. Use your money for some good things also, like to fulfill your desires also. Because money equals to your deservability. So अगर आप सोचते हो कि I am worthy enough, I deserve this much, it will come to you.
मैं
So
वही
these
पूछने
rich
वाली थी.
people, they think that they deserve lot of money.
ओके.
So money comes.
So self-worth and your money is related.
Yes. Just like a land. Whatever you sow, land will not decide इसको मुझे germinate करना है कि नहीं. वो मैंगो है तो भी करेगा, अगर वो कैक्टस है तो भी वो करेगा. सेम थिंग यूनिवर्स में आप जो दोगे इट्स गोइंग टू कम बैक टू यू. सो इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट टू हैव द राइट माइंड सेट टूवर्ड्स मनी एंड जस्ट नो देर इज इनफ अबंडेंस इन द वर्ल्ड.
Got it.
And you just need to tap into that frequency. You just need to align yourself. Now, how to align yourself? Work on your limitations, limiting beliefs, which we spoke, right?
Yeah.
Parents से जो आए हैं, आपने जो आजू बाजू से जो गैदर किए हैं, you need to work on that. So when a farmer wants to sow a seed, what he does first? वो लैंड को प्रिपेयर करता है, वीड्स
Prepare.
निकालेगा पहले,
हाँ.
कचरा निकालेगा, तब तो अच्छे बीज बोएगा.
बराबर.
वैसे ही हम सबको पहले हमारे लिमिटिंग बिलीव्स को निकालना है और फिर अच्छे बीज को बोना है. सो फार्मर का फोकस क्या है?
कि मुझे वो
whatever crop he wants.
क्रॉप या
हाँ, कि मुझे I want this many mangoes for example. That's his focus. So your focus should be that. Your focus should not be money. Money will come to you. So first you remove the weeds and then make sure जो भी आपने अच्छे seed डाले हैं, prosperity thoughts that I want this, I want that. Every day take out some time to make sure that you are watering that plant, you are giving enough sunlight. That's our job.
गॉट इट.
How we can do that? Every day just make sure that you are valuing money properly. So there is this concept of gratitude. So when you receive money, you give money, practice gratitude. Even that 10 rupees note.
लेट्स टेक दिस प्रैक्टिकली बिकॉज राइट नाउ आपने जैसे समझाया कि एक लैंड है, आपको वीड निकालना है और वो सब. सो आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द व्यूअर्स एंड इवन मी बीइंग अ मिलेनियल, हमने ये सुना है हमारे पेरेंट्स से कि पैसे पेड़ पे नहीं उगते हैं. ठीक है. दूसरा ये सुना है कि पैसा कमाने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. सो दिस इज लाइक अ नेगेटिव लिमिटिंग थॉट. यस. तो अभी मैं इसको हाउ डू आई स्टार्ट माई प्रोसेस?
So first understand what is your limiting belief.
Yes.
And then make a affirmation opposite to that. For example, पैसा कमाना बहुत मुश्किल है. तो अब आप क्या कहोगे? It's very easy to earn money. Money is flowing to me easily,
ओके.
gracefully, like that. So, and keep telling yourself that. Now just see, अगर पैसा कमाना मुश्किल या बहुत मेहनत करने से पैसा आता है तो there are many people who are doing hard work.
या
Like construction workers also, they are doing so much hard work. Why money is not coming to them? So you have to look for the actual cases जहाँ पे पैसा आ रहा है easily. It's all about you being aligned with your peace and joy and the right attitude.
Got
So you have to keep telling yourself that it's easy to earn money.
ओके. सो आई
And
जस्ट
there is
रिपीट
enough-
दिस मेंटली.
Yes, and there is enough abundance. And just look around. For example, open your window, look around, trees, flowers, fruits, and just tell there is so much abundance in the world. These plants, these trees are created by God. So am I. मैं भी कहाँ से आई हूँ? ईश्वर से आया हूँ. So God will take care of me. I will have enough. So this time when Goddess Lakshmi is there, just know she is a goddess of abundance and you are child of God. So you deserve to be abundant.
Got it.
Now, whether you are abundant or not, it depends on you. Because भगवान के घर देर भी नहीं अंधेर भी नहीं, उनके यहाँ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम हमारे वेसल्स में. So we need to increase the size of our vehicles, our chakras. How? Work on yourself.
Okay.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप देखोगे जनरली लक्ष्मी माता को सरस्वती जी के साथ दिखाया जाता है, राइट? सो यू नीड टू, सरस्वती इज व्हाट? नॉलेज.
Knowledge.
यू नीड टू कीप अपग्रेडिंग योरसेल्फ
Oh, okay.
एंड यू हैव टू यूज योर एनर्जीज वाइसली. सो जब आप लविंग काइंडनेस प्रैक्टिस करोगे, अब अच्छे इंसान हो, तो आपको लगेगा ना, हाँ, आई डिजर्व मोर. वाई? बिकॉज आई एम डूइंग गुड. सो जस्ट वैल्यू योरसेल्फ मोर, लव योरसेल्फ मोर, एंड जस्ट नो योर गॉड्स चाइल्ड,
Okay.
एंड abundance is just flowing to you.
Got it. So now I have changed my belief from saying that कि मेहनत नहीं, but money, there's enough money and there is so much money abundantly and money is flowing to me. So now how many times do I say it in a day? Like what would you recommend? कि कोई ऐसा ritual है कि आप ये ऐसे follow कर सकते हो? How will it change my mindset? Anything that you have?
So take out few minutes, look into the mirror and just tell you're awesome. First, you need to develop is your self-love.
Okay.
Because self-worth, जैसे हमने कहा ना, your money is equivalent to your self-worth.
Yes.
So do mirror exercise just for a minute or so. Look into your eyes, take your name, for example, Leena, you're awesome. You deserve all the love and money in the world. You're God's child. You're phenomenal. Like that. Develop with yourself and then just tell, I'm just the example we did. I'm a sacred receiver, I'm a grateful giver. Keep telling yourself just 2-3 minutes in a day, that's enough.
Okay, so now that I know that मेरे ये negative thoughts है, मैंने उस पे काम किया है. Now I'm sure the viewers want to know कि like in my daily life, do you have any 3 tips that people can use to invite more wealth in their lives?
Wow. So first thing is self-worth. You need to improve your self-worth. That's how money is going to come. So do mirror exercise. Take out few seconds or a minute. Look into your eyes and just tell yourself, like for example, take your name and Leena, you are so awesome.
Okay.
I love you. I like you. And you deserve all the abundance in the world because you're God's child.
Okay.
And you're phenomenal. Like that, take out some minute, do mirror exercise. Second, express your gratitude, especially when you're paying your bills.
Okay.
Many a time it happens when money is going, we are not grateful for that. But just tell yourself that it's helping them to increase their abundance. And from where it came, is going to come more. And third thing is do donation. Give that extra 10 rupees to that auto wala, that 20 rupees tip to someone, and make sure that you are giving. You are planting the seed of abundance every day. Then abundance has to come to you.
Oh, wow. I think it's so nice. Like, I think these 3 things are so easy to do also. And I think everybody can start doing them immediately somewhere or the other. Wow. One more question is कि बहुत बार ऐसा देखते हैं कि ऐसे बोलते हैं कि पैसे का अगर नुकसान हो गया, कोई चीज़ टूट गई, सो बोलते हैं कि कोई तो बला टली, लाइक सम कार्मिक डेट ऑल्सो गेट्स nullified using money. The universe uses money as a tool. Is that really true?
Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
So see, what happens ना, जब कुछ गलत होता है तो हम लोग नेगेटिव मोड में चले जाते हैं. कुछ पॉजिटिव होता है तो many a times we don't express gratitude also.
Yeah.
Right? So जब गलत कुछ होता है, just give yourself a good story. That it has happened because universe wants to help me. It's all about what you are telling yourself. So आप बोलोगे गाली बिल्ली अगर क्रॉस करती है रास्ता तो कुछ बुरा होने वाला है. But just try this. Tell, जब भी काली बिल्ली जाएगी कुछ तो अच्छा होने वाला है मेरे साथ. Because the thoughts which you are sending to the universe, that's what you are going to receive.
So it's the mindset shift
Yes,
again,
yes.
somewhere or the other. Wow. So like you said that money likes all the positive emotions, right? Like you said happiness, gratitude. तो ऐसे कौन से emotions है that money doesn't like?
Envy.
Okay.
That is one of the thing we need to take care of. Because if you want to earn money, somewhere हम ambitious है. और क्या होता है ना, जब हम दूसरों को देख रहे हैं वो progress कर रहे हैं, so that jealousy and envy can come. Make sure that you are not doing that. Just tell yourself, let's get inspired from that person, that someday I also want to earn or want to have this. So look at them as an inspiration.
Got it.
Don't pull them down with your energies.
Beautiful. Okay.
Then anger. We need to remove that anger. Many a times we carry this anger towards the people from whom we are earning the money, or for our parents, for our own people, our boss, our company, our employees. That anger needs to be removed. Because anger is a sticky energy. It's going to block your chakras. And then bad luck will start coming in. So that anger needs to be removed. Okay, so these are all lower vibrations. Ingratitude. Sometimes we don't express our gratitude. So that is one of the very important thing. Every day, take out some time where you're just writing, today I'm grateful to God for, and just write it down, because whatever you focus on, energy will go there and that will grow in your life. So wherever your thought goes, energy flows and that grows in life. So you want abundance, because money is all about abundance. So you need to feel abundant first. That is so important. So no anger, no envy, no jealousy, all these are lower vibration. This will pull you down. And pranic healing is very helpful in helping you in case आप खुद पे help नहीं कर पा रहे हो, because sometimes you might have gone through some major traumas like losses in your business or losing certain jobs multiple times, getting rejection. This can build some kind of trauma in your system, and then you need a professional help where we can remove it from your system, because it's the energy ultimately. So that we can remove through pranic healing.
Wow. So पैसा कैसे रखते हैं, you know, in general we carry money with us. So पैसा कैसे रखते हैं also actually defines your money energy somewhere or the other.
Yeah, again, valuing the money. So make sure that your wallet is proper, it's clean, and you keep the money properly.
Oh,
And
okay.
in this Lakshmi Pujan, if you can keep your wallet in your puja ghar, that your wallet will get charged with prosperity energy.
अच्छा.
सो दैट चिल्लर कई बार होता है ना, 1-2 रुपया है तो हम लोग कहीं पे भी रख देते हैं, जहाँ ड्रॉर मिला कहीं पे भी रहे. मेक श्योर दैट यू कीप इट प्रॉपरली. अगेन इट्स वैल्यूइंग द मनी. So that money should be kept properly, your wallet should be clean. Many a times there are so many bills kept there जो कहीं से कितने पुराने होते हैं, बट उसको हम ऐसे ही रख देते. That should not happen. You should not keep money here and there. If you have big purses, for example, ladies, just don't keep it like that. Value money. Let's show some respect and gratitude towards it.
ऐसी कौन सी गलती है जो बहुत सारे लोग कर रहे हैं when it comes to blocking their money energy?
Okay, first thing, go and check your wallet, how it is.
अच्छा.
Whether it is clean या फट गया है, then कैसे आपने पैसे रखे, are you keeping it properly? Is it your wallet having some bills? कचरा रखा हुआ है. And then how are you keeping your coins? It's very, very important. So make sure that this Diwali you keep your wallet proper, nice, clean. If it's old, buy new one. Keep it in your puja ghar. Ask Goddess Lakshmi to bless you with the wallet with lots of prosperity and show that respect and love.
Yeah, I think हम लोग बहुत बार हमारे पर्स में कुछ भी रहता है and I think we don't realize it. I think most of us do this mistake.
And your home also, just roam around. If there are coins here and there, make sure that you keep it in proper jar.
अच्छा, तो इससे बहुत फर्क पड़ेगा.
बहुत फर्क पड़ेगा.
Okay.
Because day to day life we are carrying that, right? And make sure you have some money in your wallet.
अच्छा, तो
Though we are
खाली
using-
wallet. हाँ,
Yes.
because we are using cards now and we are using
And GPay. So
Yeah.
make sure you are having some money in your wallet. It is important, because when you see, you feel good, and that feeling good is the first important thing, because you don't get what you ask for. You receive who you are. So you should be in a higher vibrations.
How can we move from chasing money to partnering with it?
Just tell money that I want to become your instrument to help,
Okay.
to add value in life.
Okay.
So आपके थ्रू जब फ्लो होना है, it will come. It's simple like that. If your mother has given you a tiffin, और वो बहुत अच्छा कुछ डिश दिया है, और आप फिर घर जाते हो, पूछते भाई कैसा लगा आपको खाना, आप बोलते कहाँ खाना मिला, एवरीवन एंजॉयड एक्सेप्ट मी. अब नेक्स्ट टाइम जब वो आपको सेम डिश देंगे, वो क्या करेंगे,
ज़्यादा देंगे,
because you are sharing like that. So when money will be used to share, to add value, it will come to you, it will flow more through you.
So I think stop chasing and
Yes,
just share your
just
money.
share money.
Wow. Okay, so this one is an interesting question. Ki if money could speak to us, to all of us today, what would it say?
Dear, I love you and I'm waiting to be invited and treated well. Please, let's create a beautiful life and let's have joy and fun, because that's what money wants, right? You also want. So ultimate हमारा goal क्या है? Happiness and joy. So don't get stressed out in earning that money.
Yeah.
And lower your vibrations. Keep your vibrations high. And money will be there with you if your vibrations are high.
So yeah, I think that's a very nice thing you said कि पैसा कमाने के पीछे हम बहुत stressed हो जाते हैं, and actually it's not that stressful if you can actually embrace it in the right way.
Yeah, and sometimes we've missed out in enjoying life, using the money to create happy moments and experiences. That is also very important.
Yeah, true. Thank you so much. I think this was an amazing podcast. Thank you,
Thank
Leena.
you.
And I'm sure that every viewer is ready to embrace the money energy in the right way. And I'm sure this podcast is going to be super useful to them. Thank you so much once
Thank
again.
you. Thank you so much for inviting.
Yes. So I'm sure by now all of you are convinced that बहुत मेहनत करने से पैसा नहीं आता, लेकिन having the right mindset, aligning with the money energy and loving yourself is actually getting you closer to the money energy. This Diwali, this is your chance to share this episode, share this knowledge with somebody and brighten up somebody's Diwali for sure. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep rising and embracing in love. And do not forget, I roar you.